Are you confused about the exact method on how to manifest something? By the end of this video, you will know my easy but effective technique to manifest anything that you want. I'm Dr. Tiffany Shelton Mariel. I am the owner of Conscious Life Shop, and I'm also a psychologist, and I post weekly videos on how to create a manifestation mindset. So if you're interested, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I know it can be frustrating to know exactly what you want to manifest, but be confused on how to do this whole manifestation thing. By the end of this video, you'll know my easy method that is based on wisdom like the law of attraction and also a lot of other manifestation experts and techniques to help you manifest anything you want quickly. As a psychologist interested in manifestation, I have helped many clients change their mindset so they can start living their dream life. So the first step is the foundation of manifestation. You want to start with a joyful spirit. So you want to vibrate high, as some people call it. In the psychology world, we just talk about vibrating high in the sense of you want to have heightened mental health, but you also want to not just get rid of things like anxiety and depression, but you want to start creating a life worth living. So you're going to vibrate high by choosing joy daily. So this may seem impossible to some, but no matter the circumstance, you can create little moments of joy in your day, every day of your life. So you just choose to take the actions that you know will create the feeling of joy. And you might have other feelings in the background, anxiety, depression, stress, but the point is to not try to get rid of those things, but to bring in joy into your experience no matter what every day, even if you have to tolerate some anxiety or any other negative emotion in the background. And eventually, the more you get in the habit of practicing joy, and of course when life circumstances are better, you'll be able to have the most optimal mental health well-being. And I have an acronym that will help you choose joy on a daily basis, and it's called SPAM. So once you have the foundation of a joyful spirit, the next thing that you want to cultivate to manifest what you want is a faithful mind. So you really want to focus your mind on what it is that you want, but you also want to believe in what you want and allow it to happen. And I have a video on manifesting anything you want where I talk about these things in more detail, which I'll link down below. But you want to fan your wanting, which is to really focus all your thoughts on what it is that you want. That's going to make your manifestation happen more quickly. The more you are focused on what you want. You want to overcome any resistance and limiting beliefs. I'll link videos on how to do that below. And you want to truly believe in what it is that you want is going to happen for you. And you want to have a mindset of allowing. So letting go of trying to control the process of how it's going to come to you, and then allowing it to flow organically or divinely, however you would like to think about it. So joy, then a faithful mind. And my last tip is aligned action. So you are going to want to take all the actions that you can to make this come true for you. Doesn't mean you're going to try to control it, but you're not going to sit by the wayside and just twiddle your thumbs. You're going to do what it is that you can to bring yourself closer to manifestation. So you're going to control what you can, and you're going to let go of what you can't. So a part of this aligned action is doing things like a manifestation workshop where you spend about 15 minutes a day just thinking about what it is that you want. Another part of the actions is putting yourself out there and taking chances, working on limiting beliefs. So it's just about taking actions and controlling what you can when it comes to manifesting what you want. So that is my easy method on manifesting anything that you want. You start with a joyful foundation, you have a faithful mind, and you have aligned action. I have other videos that go into detail on more of each one of these steps, which I'll link as many as I can below, but also just check out my channel. But I want to give you just like an easy, quick overview so you can wrap your brain around this manifestation thing and have something to refer back to in your mind when you feel lost when it comes to trying to manifest. manifest. So now that you know the overview of manifestation, you may be wondering, how do I make all this work on a daily basis? And I have a daily manifestation routine guide that I will link in the description below that is free, and it just kind of puts this all together for you in a daily routine so you don't even have to think about it. So if you're interested in that, just check out the description below, and please subscribe to my channel and write manifesting in the comments if this made sense to you, or if you liked it, or write down any questions. I get back to all my comments. And until my next video, namaste.